more be me creative video yeah, but just in case of say MTN user be not all experience the same issue la. It should be my face for the like getting to 2 months ni. My contact MTN for like creative complaint be about that issue na me fixing and later on almost sending me message so I resolve it back. Till I issue near the it goes to buy me creative video never say ah. Now man for a leave a comment it will be or experience the same issue. Into a woman MTN for who the question say review be about my company no. Into definitely I did be about course because recently I made a video be by say MTN for 160 gig. I'm a year data no. Me who be a data na fa. I'm a year video ne buy the following day no MTN for contact because me should leave transaction ID no was said omu a ombeti me track it then no more me friend and the following day MTN for frame me there is always a issue no na ema me home be me 160 gig e wo na omo update be omo aye wo omo app na like me video laba after that video the following day me video laba there it happen here na how me fast nya me data back me esa video about but that video about kind of limit be uye MTN user oko Facebook a day be an oko Facebook I say yeah what limit be about beda of Facebook no so nti ebe kakra no obi o Facebook ni bi ma enko 2 o'clock asan aba ansa na watimi akọ Facebook or obi Facebook na browse kakra be browse later on no bon say wuntimi receive update and notification be atase nti at the same time so we use two sima na o search ba different MTN sima and also bit my browser kakra enche bia won say akatena say wuntimi receive update bia bi nti mi Vodafone sim me dey have Vodafone sim ne try Vodafone sim ne dey me browse the whole day me experience issue bia na the same time so the same phone bia be wadwen say phone na me use na me issue about any sanity me dey come laptop no kra na is the same issue cause the phone so me the so hotspot e dey my laptop na emba at the same time so me use sim no e dey share phone from the so hotspot emba that means a kind of a limit be edda me Facebook daily no like daily no data make me use e wo Facebook no as a limit be there edda so nti me contact MTN for me so me contact Facebook e be your policy be na ma violate nti ma mention a problem me face see how here me sim I for sim 2 na me use no e na me dia so data see no me be Facebook see me be Facebook mean me receive update be but anopa na meet me use bibia work all right cause say me bo comment no so say comment number unse loadi mean me receive update bia obe browser untimi receive any latest update bia obe untimi read comment like untimi receive any update bia but you tell say nti problem am face but anopa no na sa sim we no eye adwuma but me ko ebia me yema say me browser ebia maba BOG4 websites for unse any day abie that means me wo data cause me wo data more than 100 gig crowd we so metimi akoba bibia me pese me nko bia no metimi abie Google bad nsi bibia loadi metimi akọ Instagram metimi akọ TikTok metimi akọ social media platform bia me have issue bia but chat say cause metimi be YouTube me be YouTuber e be bie metimi receive update and no unse bibia work all right nti ma me searching ko someone cause the whole day me yan use someone me search ko someone metimi use someone no e wo Facebook kakra and also limit this one then na kate afi mean me a be repeat to say at same way behaving and my message nti say how here say LTE number other sim no nti my main ko Facebook bi na hwe sa problem cause sa sim we so me wo data den e wo so nti my main say problem be repeating no hu bi ma nti my main mo say me read the comments unse comments na ba pa che ye hu na che say kind of limit bi wo sa sim we no so but me use we no craft for the meantime I be repeat the same issue said the me experience na but yeah sa issue na me face I mean so face the same issue like, at the same time so me the call said them they can me call different other like me call other network na me nya issue be make me a browser said 30 days can remember browsing me nya issue be but you have to say any problem see me face see me try say me be Facebook crowd different PC me from accounts and login na still no and access it. So I don't know. See, maybe I will experience the same issue la. Obetimi leave at the to comment section no. And at the same time, obetimi reset to phone na Emma. But overall, they say MTN for more customer service no more improve, you know. Or from how or more try my best on best resolve issue na man. sisi omo improve na ade ba ko a ma witness e wo MTN sisi a omo customer service sisi omo improve no me gidi se wani baje video e ho video e wo hwe na wo solution bi a obetimi leave it to comment but enye me phone na problem ni free me phone na cause we're trying different way I work alright. Our solution be and our suggestion be able to leave it to comment section no. Na bedding this year for who experience the same issue la if you fast comment no definitely MTN for be follow up. Cause a video concerning MTN there definitely no follow up.